Hello everyone, thanks for joining again for this jewelry ERP program. Let's discuss about how to create an inventory. So I will come back here on inventory tab and then click on add item. You can create any one of the inventory here. So let's suppose I would like to create one gold chain, um, 22 carat, um, metro style. Okay, you can have, if you have any photo image URL which is you saved in your Google Drive, just go ahead and pick up. The gold is my category, 22 carat is my this one, and the net weight, let's suppose 8 gram and 470 milligram is my net weight. If you like to keep your making charges separately, you can keep it, and then I can put up my MRP, let's suppose on the basis of my rate card. So let's suppose I would like to pick up and put it like 1,46,000 as my MRP. If you like to have your cost price in which rack you have put it your locations, and then you can put the descriptions of your item. You can increase the stock quantity and minimum quantity, alert. So I am putting the minimum quantity as alert here, and then hit save button. So once you saved here, you see my gold chain record is created here actually. So this is my metro style gold item inventory, and which has my current inventory as a 3. This is my MRP actually as of now. So you can also come back to your stock evaluation. In stock evaluations you will see which stock is going to be low or high. Basis of that you can go ahead and modify the stock, or you can add your stock level actually, and how many item you have and the weight, and according to the MRP values it will show you the current stock and their valuation actually. Alright, stay tuned for more updates. We'll keep posting a couple of more videos related to this jewelry ERP program. Thank you so much.